Hello and welcome to my channel Craft Lovers. Today I am going to making a surprise lock card and slide and stand card. I had described all required materials in description. Share, like and subscribe to my channel Craft Lovers. Let's make it. Take a 36 by 6 cm drawing sheet. Mark at 6 cm as shown. Draw a line at 6 cm distance. Saucer and make zigzag fold. Paste your memories in this. Take 4 strips of 12.5 into 1 cm. Mark and saucer at gap of 2.5 cm. Join the end as shown to make a square. Similarly, make a total 4 pieces. Take a 3 into 14 cm drawing sheet and paste it as shown. Now paste a red drawing sheet on it as shown. Now make a heart as shown and paste it on it. Paste red drawing sheet on it. Take a 6 cm into 5.5 cm drawing sheet and mark at 1.5 cm on top, left and right side as shown. Cut and paste it as shown. Take a 3 into 3 cm drawing sheet and draw a heart. Cut it. Also make a letter I and U. Paste a square like this. Paste the letter I as shown. Also paste a heart in same way. Paste 2 square for U. And paste U on it. Now it is ready. You can use it in a scrapbook and also you can use it in an exploding box. really easy and wonderful. Let's make it. Take a 26 by 12 cm drawing sheet. Mark on it as shown. Draw a line as shown. Mark at 1.5 cm as shown. Cut it. Take a 12 by 9 cm drawing sheet. Saucer and fold it. Decorate it with design papers. Now apply glue on bottom side and paste the card on it. Don't forget to like my video. Now paste another side on it. Now it is ready. You can use it as a scrapbook page also. Thanks for watching my video.